This is our 8-foot lay flat fold over ramp for our rolling dock systems and sectional docks. What you have to do is take off your two 4x4 foot panels. You can stack them on a pallet on shore, but reduces the weight. You're flipping the ramp over, maybe 27 pounds each. And then here we got this is our hinge system here, and you just take the ramp, fold it over, you come out to the end here, and it lays flat down. Then then you would take it out, but then when you put it in the spring, come back, put this down, then come in here once. Then we have our hinge plate here. This is where the bolt hinges, and then we have a spacer angle here, so it takes up the space so there's no gap, and then it has a slot punched in it on the inside, so you can move that up and down with the pitch of your ramp change. But that's it.